Dogecoin value expectation outline. Dogecoin cost conjecture proposes a chance of Doge exchanging between $0.1667 to $0.2022 in 2025 in a for the most part significant manner. Dogecoin certainly is presently evaluated at $0.0806 on the lookout, which generally is genuinely huge. Our Dogecoin in every way that really matters. Long-haul conjecture for 2050 proposes Doge possibly going somewhere in the range of $0.1549 and $0.1763 in a fundamentally huge manner. The really normal extended cost for Dogecoin in 2030 in a real sense is supposed to for the most part be $1.12, with likely fluctuation somewhere in the range of $1.09 and $1.29, or so they all things considered, thought. Experts project a bullish pattern for Dogecoin in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $0.1246 mark in a very enormous manner. Starting around 06 January 2024, Dogecoin by and large is exchanging at $0.0806 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0% in especially most recent 60 minutes, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Doge basically has an essentially complete market cap of $11,493,357,743, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $499,302,788. This basically makes Dogecoin, Doge, sort of positioning at 10 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2024, what will Dogecoin for the most part be somewhat worth in 2024, which basically is very huge? Is Dogecoin a kind of wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2024, or so they explicitly thought? Will Doge cost explicitly outperform its unsurpassed high, which sort of is genuinely critical? These in a real sense are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, which truly is genuinely huge. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2024, as per the Dogecoin figure cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the Doge cost is supposed to cross a by and large normal value level of $0.1194, the normal especially least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to fundamentally be $0.1152, which sort of is very critical. Besides, Doge can in a real sense arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $0.1396, which by and large is very huge. Dogecoin value conjecture January 2024. In January 2024, the cost of Dogecoin is supposed to by and large be at around an essentially least of $0.0804, which is genuinely critical. Dogecoin cost can arrive at an especially limit of $0.0905, with the especially normal cost of $0.0880 in United States dollars, in a truly significant way. Doge value gauge February 2024. In February 2024, the cost of Dogecoin is gauged to be at around a kind of least worth of $0.0873 in a sort of enormous manner. The Dogecoin value worth can basically arrive at a sort of limit of $0.0940, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.0915 in United States dollars in a sort of significant way. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation walk 2024. With respect to walk 2024, Dogecoin cost in every way that really matters is conjectured to arrive at a barely the most reduced cost of $0.0918 in an especially huge manner. The Doge cost could arrive at a greatest cost of $0.0977, with the exceptionally normal expected cost around $0.0952 in an extremely large manner. Doge value figure April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Dogecoin for the most part is gauged to be at around a by and large least worth of $0.0938, which is very huge. The Dogecoin value worth can in every practical sense arrive at a sort of limit of $0.1015, with the all things considered normal exchanging worth of $0.0980 in United States dollars, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Dogecoin, Doge, value estimate May 2024. For May 2024, the cost of Dogecoin fundamentally is explicitly anticipated to arrive at an especially normal cost of $0.1000, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.1064 and a kind of least of $0.0958 in a truly significant manner. Doge value figure June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Dogecoin fundamentally is determined to really be at around a very least worth of $0.0978 in an unpretentious manner. The Dogecoin value worth can truly arrive at in every way that really matters, limit of $0.1114, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.1020 in United States dollars, so these truly are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future. Dogecoin value conjecture July 2024. The very normal cost of Dogecoin, Doge, could commonly go to $0.1060 toward the finish of July 2024. Doge could be exchanging around a very greatest worth of $0.1165, with the sort of least expected cost of $0.1019, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value expectation August 2024. Dogecoin cost truly is supposed to in a real sense reach between $0.1040 to $0.1207 in August 2024, while the typical cost of Doge for the August fundamentally remains around $0.1082. Dogecoin, Doge, value forecast September 2024. The cost for Dogecoin in September 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.1070 and $0.1250, which truly is genuinely huge. While the typical exchanging cost ought to essentially be around $0.1103, which generally is very critical. Dogecoin value estimate October 2024. In October 2024, the genuinely greatest cost for Dogecoin could especially stretch around $0.1306, which in every practical sense shows that Dogecoin value expectation synopsis Dogecoin cost gauge recommends a chance of Doge exchanging between $0.1667 to $0.2022 in 2025 in a really significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Doge in October 2024 is $0.1083, with an extremely normal cost of $0.1125, or so they generally thought. Dogecoin value expectation November 2024. The cost of Dogecoin really is for the most part anticipated to generally reach at a fundamentally least worth of $0.1106 in November 2024, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The Doge cost could arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $0.1351, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.1148 all through 2024, exhibiting that these certainly are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, which for the most part is very huge. Dogecoin value figure December 2024. The by and large normal cost of Dogecoin, Doge, could truly go to $0.1194 toward the finish of December 2024. Doge could generally be exchanging around a truly most extreme worth of $0.1396, with